Unbox with me the Hacipupu Snuggle with Me series. The series comes with 12 non-repeating figures. It has 2 secret figures. My targets are Charming Fox, Lovely Piggy, and the cute Tiger Cub. Let's see what I got. Oh yes, I pulled my target, the cute Tiger Cub. He is so adorable. Let's open my second flying box and see what I got. Oh my god, I pulled my other target, the Charming Tiger. I'm super happy.